Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to live stream on Twitch Mobile. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so make sure you got Twitch downloaded and installed on your mobile device, and from there go ahead and open it up. You might need to sign up or create a new account. And once you've done that, you'll be taken to the home tab here. Now from here, we need to navigate and click on the plus icon, and we've got a few different ways how we can stream. So we can stream games, so play and stream from this device, stream IRL, so broadcast your life wherever you are, or we can go to create a dashboard, which you don't really need to go ahead and click onto that. So it's either the top two. So if I want to go ahead and stream games, click onto stream games. Now they might need to enable permission, so go ahead and enable microphone while using the app and enable overlays, open settings, and then make sure Twitch here, enable that, and then just go back to the game. Then from here, simply what do you want to stream? So go ahead and search games and categories. You can click that and type in that particular game you want to stream. So if I want to go ahead and stream Roblox, I can click on Roblox, click on continue. So now I'm going to click continue. And then it'll say stream tips. You want to set your volume levels in Twitch, keep the microphone clear. So just have a quick read of that and click next. Now select your stream quality. So max quality, this is best quality, but may cause buffering for videos on lower end devices, slow internet, 720p 30. We can do balanced or performance. So I'm going to go ahead with the suggestion one, click continue again. Now we can title our stream. I'm just going to call this test. We can add tags here. So tags make it your video or your stream more visible for other people. So whatever you're gaming, just go ahead and put the game there. If you're not sure what tags to put on the game, just simply go to ChatGPT, say I want to add tags to my game, can you suggest a few tags, and then just jot them into here. Then from here, stream language, English, go live, notification, we've got the stream volume, we've got portrait, landscape, we've got VOD settings. So if you want to do landscape portrait, that's cool, you can. Now we can go ahead and click on launch game. Then from here, click onto next, and then click next again, and then choose the app to share, and then go ahead and find your Roblox game. So go ahead and open up your Roblox game, and you can go ahead and start streaming live on Twitch. Make sure whatever you are streaming, the game or the app is up to date.